Social Experiments has partnered with two organizations, JPIK and World Possible. Both of their missions are to bring educational content to communities with little or no internet connectivity. We're leveraging the power of Azure to help them make data-driven decisions and scale their solutions.
Since the last Hack for Good hackathon, we have onboarded a new nonprofit to Azure. It's TACMIL. As their schools are located in remote war zone areas, TACMIL was unable to track whether their teachers were actually running the school and taking attendance.
I am Zainab from Takmil, and Takmil is making education a reality for those children who missed out their chance on education. Social Experiment is helping us develop technology-based solutions for student participation and monitoring through facial detection and recognition-based modules. Together with Social Experiment, we want to make education a reality for these children right in their communities using the technological innovations and solutions.
During the hackathon, we built a face detector using Azure Face API and TensorFlow Lite, which allows teachers to get live feedback on the number of students so that they can validate attendance before sending it to the cloud.
As we just use face detection here, we want to enhance this application using face recognition that will allow us to register students and teachers in a school. Once this is done, we are adding some new features and packaging it as a school management system, which other schools can use also.
They're going to go ahead and help us do some data analytics around how much Rachel, our offline learning device, is actually being used in kind of the remote corners of the globe. We serve a few thousand Rachel devices to hundreds of thousands of users, and we have little information about what they're doing.
In areas with no internet connectivity, instead of running IoT Edge, we built a phone-based solution to gather telemetry from Rachel. The phone will connect to the Rachel device, capture telemetry. Once it is connected, it will send logs on Rachel's app usage, then follow the same remaining workflow as we have seen before.
During Hack for Good for World Possible, we add the ability to record the bandwidth used while the device is offline so that World Possible can report the data saved by serving content offline versus online.
JPIK is number one education device deployment. We are using the content access point as a to store contents to be accessed without internet connection. By working with Microsoft and Social Experience, we have an opportunity to expand the tech capabilities. We can now track them, know their location, know exactly how they are being used, and we can also manage them.
For devices in areas of intermittent connectivity, we can use airband, cellular, or Ethernet to connect the CAP devices. By running them with IoT Edge as a gateway, the previously dark devices downstream, the personal laptops of students, can now collect rich app-level telemetry like if the hardware is running right, what the most used apps are, is it educational content, is it Excel, or is it Minecraft? These insights are collected in a blob container, and by running an Azure function, we store it in a Cosmos DB to be queried and displayed in Power BI.
As World Possible and JPIK are deploying Internet in-box solution in thousands, we need to write software which scales, and web app is the first step in that. We have to build scalable hardware deployment as well as scalable management services.